I wanted to go over with you guys some numbers. I'm going to cover 1 through 30 because once you have those, you can kind of get most of the numbers. So I'm going to run through 1 through 30 pretty quickly, and then I'll walk through them and talk about each one of them step by step. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, now we're going to talk about them a little slower. Okay, so we have 1, just starting with the index finger like you would normally count. 1, 2. Now for 3, you want to make sure you use your thumb, because if you use these 3 fingers, this can easily look like another number. So we have 2 and the thumb here for 3. 4, thumb goes in, all of these fingers come up. 5, all of them come up. Then starting at 6, we're going to start with our pinky touching our thumb for 6. And you want to make sure they're touching. And all these numbers, you want to make sure your palm is facing out so you can clearly see which finger is touching, because if you're going this way, it just palm going out, just like our letters. Then we just go down each finger. So 7 is your ring finger touching. Then we have 8, our middle finger. And then 9, our index finger. So it just moves down 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 10, we just have our thumbs up hand and we just shake it. And then our knuckles are going to be facing forward, so our palm is facing kind of just to the side, so it's clear and you can see the thumb coming up. Then once we go into the teens, we have 11, which is just the 1 for 11, but you want to make sure you flick it. A lot of times I see people just bringing their finger down like this, and you want to kind of have it on your thumb and flick it up twice. So 1, 2 for 11. And 12 is going to be the same, just with 2 fingers. Flicking again, 1, 2 for 12. You don't have to do it super hard, just 12. Okay? And then for 13, we have the same 3 fingers for 3. And for all these teens, our hands are pointing inwards towards us. And these, instead of flicking, you're going to do that waving kind of motion back towards you. And then these 2 fingers are together, so you have 13. Then 14, this finger comes in. These again are together, and you just wave them back. 14, see? 14, 15, same thing with your thumb out to make that 5. Again, fingers together, and just wave back. 15. Now, 16 through 19, you can do it 2 different ways. You use the 6 through 9 hand shapes. We can either twist it for 16, or we can start with our fist back into a 6 coming forward. 16 or 16. We usually use this rotating with the kids because it's a little easier for their hands to do that rotating motion than to have it closed and open up to a 6 coming forward. So 16. And we do the same with 16 through 19. So 17 or 17. 17. 18 with our 8 or 18. 18, 19 with our index finger, 19 or 19. Now, when we go into 20s, we usually use, instead of this 2 hand shape, we use this one. Because it's just a little easier on your hand to do this. Sometimes you'll see this hand shape, but this one is more commonly used. We use it with the kids, and it's just a little easier on your hand to do. So from here, if you make a 2 and kind of a 0, that makes your 20. So we just have like a pinching, kind of like a bird pinching, 20. Then 21, you make that 2 hand shape into, it kind of moves from a 1 to a 2, so you just move this finger in and out. 21 looks like this. 22, you're going to use this one and bounce it. 22. That way you can see that there's definitely 2 movements rather than like 2, 2 or anything like that. It's just moving it downwards. 22. 23 is that same 2 hand shape to 3, except for it moves quickly with this finger coming up and down. See, it goes 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3 quickly. 23. Then 24, 2 to 4. And again, we're using this hand shape for 2, 2, 4 for 24. 25 is similar to 23. We're just going from that 2 to 5, but quickly, using this finger for the transition back and forth. 25. So we're just moving that middle finger up and down. 25. Then 26 through 29 are the same, just 2 and then the number following each other. So 26, 27, 28, 29, and then 30, 3, 0. Okay? And then going forward, just every number is just the first number and the second number following each other. So 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. The only rules that are a little different is if you have a double number, just like we had 22, you bounce it. So 22, 33, 44, 55, and so on. Also, if we have any multiples of 10, it's just that back to 0. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 100 is a little different. We just go 1 to that C hand shape. This means 100 in sign language. So we go 1C, meaning 100. Okay, and then going up from 100, you just do 100, and then the number 112, 126, 150. I know that's a little high for most of our kids, but just so you guys get familiar with how those numbers kind of work. And that's mostly the rules for the numbers. So I'm going to run through 1 through 30 really quick for you again, and you guys should get it to practice a bunch. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, and that's our numbers. Okay, bye.